Vlog the process of making pho. I got this from iHerb. Now it's going to be 2 learners in 1 cup.
Panthers all day.
High five. But did you guys have a nice night? In those kinds of situations, you got to be aggressive. 5 is the speed. You're going 0.
You didn't get the win, but you know, Raiders, you guys suck.
Oh! You better like this video. You better like this video.
Hey everybody. Welcome back to another vlog. So, funny story today. We lost our key. So big apologies to you, Zaya. We could not make your game because we lost this. But now we found it. And now it's too late. And Aunty and I just got back from farmer's market. We went to get Bear some food because I forgot to put in an order, so we had to go early because dog food goes so quickly there if you don't do an order. And yeah, I'm just appreciating this lighting right now. But so we're just gonna go to Nell's game, but his game isn't in until another 30 minutes or 45 minutes, sorry. So we'll leave here in about 20 minutes, maybe 15-20 minutes. Maybe we have time to, I was gonna say get a coffee, but you see this teeth? I'm trying to lay off the coffee a little bit. And then it's the Panthers versus Raiders game today, so maybe we might go to the Panthers game. Baby, come on, man. Also, guys, I wanted to show you, I did not vlog the process of making pho. It's like a Vietnamese dish, soupy kind of thing. And I made it, and I really hated it the first, like when it was fresh, when I first made it. But I thought, oh, well, I've spent so much money. It cost me 120 bucks to get all the ingredients. And so I was like, I cannot waste it. And so I just packed them in containers, and whatever couldn't fit in the containers, I did throw out, which I kind of regret now. But it tastes so good once defrosted. And I don't know, it actually tastes pretty good. Oh my gosh, my face looks so bare right now.
It tastes different.
I already had that. I got the same one as you. Yeah, it does taste different. It's got like she put a vinegar sauce on it. Sure? It's a pork gyoza. I just ate it because I was hungry, but yeah. This is the best. If you take green powder, this is probably the best one on the market in my opinion. I got this from iHerb and it was like $170. There's a bigger one than this, but I wasn't trying to pay that much. So I usually use my whisker. I've had this for 5, almost 6 years before it became like a thing. It's really bitter, and it's honestly not that bad. Like, I've taken a lot of gross herbs in my lifetime, so it's nothing to me, but it might be to you. Come here, spin. Good boy. Spin. Good boy. High five. Other one. Other one. Go potty, Belle. Good boy. On your mat. Good boy. So clever. So clever. Down. Good boy. Chin down. Chin down. Good boy. Come. I see my mum and dad. I'm gonna go scare them. Oh my God! ilungan. Wow, it's Tato, Israel, Matungofie. Mr. John Dutton over here. Huh? Cowboy. Donnell's team won, guys. Also, I just want to show you, this is Radford College, one of the most prestigious schools here in Canberra. It is the most expensive.
I think about you every day and night. A million reasons why I can't get you out my mind. I wish that I could just rewind the time. 'Cause every time I look around, you're never there, you're never there.
Nice. Let's try to park in the disabled park again.
This is the first one.
Whichever one you feel comfortable. Yeah. Nice. That was perfect. Nice. Yep. Stop. Nice. Look how cool we look. Thumbnail. Nice, nice baby. Boom, 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 boom. Making me laugh. Oh, careful. Okay, slow down. You have to put your brake on. Brake, yes. You have to stay in your lane. Make sure that you stay in your lane. If you go out and the car's coming, guess what? You scraped them. No, we don't die. We just have to pay a big bill. Alright, turn indicator, so brake. You have to give way here because cars might be coming in. Look left, look right, no cars, indicator. So remember, we're turning this way. What is this guy doing? He's practicing with his Tesla. Reverse parking. That's so rude, eh? Yeah, but like, what you got that car for then, bro? Now it's going to be two learners in one car. This is chaos.
This is not giving it. We should have stayed outside.
Oh my gosh, what is this dude doing?
I'll go all the way down there.
Okay, so remember, let's just pretend that there's cars in these lines. You're sorting every single car in these lines. You have to stay within the guided lines, which don't have lines for car parks. Yeah, so now let's practice going around that roundabout. It's not an actual roundabout, it's a fake one. Yeah, but you just follow the line. Make sure you got your brake on. Go very slowly because there's lots of poles there. In case we saw one of the poles.
I think about you every day and night. A million reasons why I can't get you out my mind. I wish that I could just rewind.
I can't find my going on. I reckon he just got his Tesla. Yeah, practice with it. Yeah. Well, that's nice that he came to a car park. Hey, ain't no judgment here. Do what you need to do. Park at one of those parks. These lines are a bit different. The other ones were like kind of slanted. You fully have to like go out to go in because they're straight lines. We'll just go around once and then we'll go. If you don't feel confident, 5 is the speed. You're going 0.
Yeah, I I'm trying to feel the.
Yeah, you do what you need to do, girl. Don't mind me.
I'm not going 5. I'm a learner, guys.
Yeah. See, now she's going 10 over the speed limit. Ticket for you. Oh my god, my eye keeps twitching. This eye is twitching. I need to go home and drink some electrolytes. When you get more practice, more confident, it's good to have the cars here because then you can practice parking next to them. We need a bit more practice before we do that because we ain't got time to pay for some insurance claims, guys.
So where am I turning?
This way. So that's your lane that you need to stick in. But see how there's a dotted line, so that means that you give way. Anytime there's a dotted line, yeah, you have to give way to see if there's a car coming. There isn't, so you can go. Give way, you don't need to stop the car fully. If you see a stop sign, you have to stop the car for 3 seconds. But give way, you don't need to. You can just pause. If there's no cars coming, you can go. Do you reckon you could drive home or not? Let's go around a couple more times and then you can answer that question.
I'm just scared of car behind me.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, it doesn't worry about that. I just want you to be confident because the roads are very different to car parks. Do you feel confident to drive us home? I mean, I don't want to force you, but if you feel...
I'm really trying, but I'm scared at the same time.
We'll just take it easy. Even if we have to go 20, 30, that's fine. Let me put my belt on.
Let's go. Panthers all day.
Does your key not work?
Yeah, as you see, guys. Proud to be
20 degrees, and I was trying to wear that.
Panthers.
Oh my God, it was so hot.
So we're going to Panthers game against Riders. It doesn't matter where you live. It matters where you belong, you know. We're going to support our boys in black and yellow and red and green. Hope we get a win today. I'm pretty sure we'll smash it, and we get it. We get it. Oh, it's a driver. Hello.
Hello.
Looks snacky over here.
Always.
Always and forever, amen. Your boy Snacky Boy over here. And your girl Chihuahua.
Chihuahua.
Yeah, Chihuahua. Update for you guys after the game. But when the games happen, guys, I don't record everything. I was shouting and jumping and, you know, trying to upset anyone.
We'll see you soon.
So yeah, we'll see you guys very soon. Peace.
Guys, we're here at the game. It's a wonderful atmosphere. A lot of intoxicated people, let's just say that much, including Lily. So it's great atmosphere here. It's pretty packed compared to what you would usually see. Lots of Raiders supporters, obviously, but there's also a lot of Panthers supporters. Well, guys, not exactly the result we wanted, was it? Was it? No, it wasn't. That's okay.
We're waiting for them.
Aussie's waiting. Laura wants to take a photo with Brian Saul and Romy. Let's go stand for Aussie.
Right, we'll just give you guys a win because you guys not gonna make up to the final, all right?
Oh! We are still here. Aunty got some photos with some of the boys. He got it with Brian To'o and Moses Leota. He was trying to call Romy's name, but Romy is just so popular. And then, let me tell you a story. Romy got on the bus and then he came down because his wife was down and she's so beautiful. Like, oh, I wanted a photo with her. But lucky I didn't ask her because apparently she couldn't. She said no when somebody asked to take a photo with her. And I totally understand that. And then security came and they were like, no, he can't take any photos. But people were bombarding him. They've literally bombarded him all the way to his car. So it's taken him so long to get to his car. But did you guys have a nice night?
Yeah.
Not me.
Why?
Because I didn't get a photo.
You should have came out with
Watch this vlog.
Anyways,
Yeah, I'm still proud.
you should. Well, I don't know why you didn't walk out with Aussie when he walked out.
I was gonna get the video, that's what I was thinking.
Oh,
I'm so proud of my boys, eh? You're still proud of my boys. We didn't get the win, but you know, Riders, you guys suck.
oh,
You guys are down the bottom. You can't even get to the final like us.
oh!
Trust me, this year we get this 4 win, straight win, 4 cup. I'm telling you guys, if
So
you watch this video,
We parked pretty far. Now we have
Panthers
to
all day.
walk all the way.
No gym.
no gym today.
No gym, no dinner.
But at least we're walking.
But it's alright. We'll just watch the
Look at
game.
sunset.
That is pretty. You can't really tell. You would if I took a photo on a camera, like my phone camera. Guys, we're here at KFC now. We came to fill our bellies. Oh?
I still won't feel like
Laura's upset she didn't get a photo. But that's what happens. You snooze, you lose, okay? Snooze, you can lose. In those kinds of situations, you gotta be aggressive. Like, you gotta push your way to the front. You gotta scream, you gotta be that embarrassing character. Because those characteristics win the biscuits. And I'm so hungry. My tummy is rumbling. This eye of mine just keeps twitching. Look. Wait. I know you guys see that. It's weird. It's annoying me. Totes forgot to update you. We got our food after like 30 minutes of waiting. But we were starving. So hungry.